with them just to compete here in the main arena at CRUFTS. What we're going to do is we're going to add all the results together and we will come up with 16 handless to heel from the United States of America. This is with Frodo. Get some contact. Daisy running ahead to get those turns in. There's that line turn onto the A-frame. Straight down into the tunnel. Backing off to get the right turn into the weaves. Very nicely done. Straight through there. Turning right, round the back of 14. Swap sides, onto the seesaw. Again, nicely done. Into the tunnel, 2 to go. Come on, Daisy. One more, well done. Oh, well done. 36, 060 goes into the lead. That was a cracking run, well done.
Oh, too close. Look at the speed on the far side. Oh my word. Go Lada, come on.
This place is absolutely crazy.
We're still going.
Should make a difference. 2 dogs across the whole area. In fact, what's the baseball bat? There we go. Good strong bite. The baseball bat's gone. Well done, Lester. Come on, Chris. Keep pushing it back. Come on, you lot. Get out of the arena. See what a difference 2 dogs make? 2 dogs can cover a whole street as opposed to a load of bobbies. Chris was young.
That one's crazy.
Johansson from Norway. Daisy Peel from the USA. Yay! Vivian Nielsen from Denmark. Anna Hens from Germany. Yay! Simon Blanca from Switzerland. Isabel Burns from Luxembourg. Jimmy Chen from China. Yay! John Bow from the Republic of Ireland. Justin Keegan from the Isle of Man. Dominique Gauthier from the Channel Islands. Robin Coulter from Northern Ireland. Stuart Harms from Wales. Romeo the Border Collie, 4 years old. Very fast athlete, been competing before CRUFTS. She's very skilled at what she does. We'll see how she gets on with this course. No fault, there's a little bit of wasted time there. Don't forget every run out in a circle, that waits 4 split seconds. The dog that wins is the dog that goes clear with minimum space between each obstacle. Direct line from one to another. Swapping sides very quickly there, all the handlers swap sides on a regular basis to be most advantageous place for the dog. And she's still clear and 3 to go. That is looking good for